Hello my friends, what's up? I hope you all are fit and fine like me. Friends, recently I have started learning English, or I would say a spoken English. Of course, for my upcoming SSB interviews. You must be thinking that why I have started this thing. So, as you guys all know that I could not speak a single word during my SSB group discussion. And the most possible reason I can figure out is fear of my English speaking and lack of my vocabulary. And even after that also I have seen lots of video which says that SSB is the game of personality, and if you don't have that personality then you cannot be an army officer. So right now I am trying to develop that personality. I would come to that point later, but right now I want to share with you my experience of learning English. So come and join me to learn English with me. Guys, before I would go further, I want to give you one disclaimer that this is not a video which gives you short tips and tricks to learn English quickly. This is a video of my experience about the event which inspired me to learn English and how I am learning it now. So if you are a guy who want to achieve so many things in your life but English has become obstacle of your path and you want to work on it, then you are at right place, my friend, because everyone has right to dream big, irrespective of whatever background you belongs to. And if I can start and do this thing, then I will surely say that you can do the same thing. So now the question is why I started this mission. Guys, I belongs to a rural area, a village of Gujarat, where it is very hard to find any fluent English speaker to whom I can interact regularly. And as you all know, that environment plays very significant role in building anyone's personality. And as it was said that you are the average of 5 people you are surrounded by most of the time, and I am surrounded by native Gujarati speaker most of my life. So I was like one of them. But this change happened when I attended SSB interview at Kapurthala. For those who don't know, SSB is the 5-day long process to become an army officer. So by seeing those people at Delhi, at Punjab, and a student from southern state, I was literally startled, and it makes me realize that we people from rural background lacks in so many things. We lacks in communication, we lacks in knowledge compared to those highly qualified people of metropolitan cities like Delhi and Mumbai. And to witness all these things, we have to start exploring those areas. Guys, another similar experience I had when I gave FCAT exam 2021. Uncle there was instructing his daughter throughout in English, and I was like, I never speak that much English even during the speech I had on the stage. And especially the people from the area I belongs to, they have fear of speaking English more than fear of anything else in life. And by seeing all these events, my mind says that this is the thing I want to achieve. I want to learn spoken English and I want to speak English like a native speaker. Actually, the desire of learning English have been there inside my mind since long time, but the problem is that spark is missing, and all this event gave me that spark to turn my desire into fire. But why we need to learn English? Why we need to learn an international language? I had the same question, but answer to that question is, in our society, English reflects personality of a man. If one can speak English, then people must be thinking that he should be highly qualified and highly educated. And even if we put that aspect apart, then as you all know that English is the international language, it can help you to get selected in multinational companies. It can help you to interact with people on the global platform like YouTube and Facebook. It will add some values in your personality. And when we talk about Indian Army, then let's say if you are selected as an army officer, and at some instances you have to speak with any foreign guy. In that case, it would be matter of proud for you to learn that foreign language. When I come to SSB interview, as I have said many times in my previous videos, that SSB is the game of personality, and good communication skill plays very vital role in personality development. Of course, you don't need to be an expert of English, but at least you should understand the language, and you should be able to express your thoughts in English without being stuck anywhere during the interview. And if you unluckily being stuck at any place, then it will leave negative impression on assessors, and that exactly what happened with me. Now I'm going to share with you problem with my English, and that is definitely going to be problem with everyone's English. The first problem is grammatical mistake. I used to have so many grammatical mistakes, but now my grammatical mistakes reduce because of this practice. The second problem I am having is vocabulary, lack of vocabulary. At many places I got stuck due to the lack of words. The correct word is not link in my mind, and I am still having that problem, but I am working on it. And the third and most significant problem is lack of confidence, and for that also the problem is solved by continuously practicing this English. So what are the stages of learning English, or what are the stages of learning spoken English? So there are 3 stages of learning spoken English. The first stage is for beginner, the second stage is intermediate stage, and the third stage is expert stage. So I am at intermediate stage. So in intermediate stage you can understand English video, if you can understand this video, if you can read novel in English, and if you can make small sentences inside your head, then you must be at intermediate level. But and if you cannot do all these things, then you are beginner, and if you are an expert, then you don't need to do all these things. That is enough for today. In my next video I am going to divide this session in 2 parts. In first part I will upload video for intermediate English learner, and for second part I will upload video for beginners. And for beginners I will definitely upload video in Hindi, so that you guys can understand what I am saying. And that's it, my friend. That's enough. That's it for today. So stay tuned guys, keep watching my video. I wish to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.